join me live at Loch Limit, where we used to film old Jackass Junior episodes, and we are currently on the hunt for our location for Bonfire Night. What we need is we need some sky so we can set off some fireworks.
Not enough.
We need some wood to set a fire.
Plenty.
We also need somewhere to sit down. So let's go shopping. I think if we set off fireworks here, like, they might get through.
Or come back and kill us.
Yeah. I think we'll bin this place. We're randomly floating through the woods and we come across an abandoned campsite. Aha. Now, for legal reasons, there is no dead bodies inside. Just a beer bottle and some stones, I guess. So, you know, no murder doesn't go back in this year. Yet. Proposed spot number 2 has fire, has a bit of sky.
We're going to bit up there.
Aye. But I'm not feeling it.
Enough wood though.
Yeah. But then again, spot number 3 is not far away from here. Well, spot number 3 seems to be perfection, as we have dead wood. Dead wood. Fire spot. Dead wood. Stuart's here.
Sky.
And we have a shitload of sky. Basically we just have a big open spot. So, we're coming here. So basically we just stand here and launch them into the...
Kind of sit down. Perfect. Have a fight with them.
I think you've got a plan. And that means we don't have to leave the fire spot. It's set in stone, it's done.
Yeah.
We're making it happen.
This is fucking...
Chris is getting raped by a tree!
Raped by a tree! The other way.
What? There's people over there. Are you sure it's not Devon that?
I highly
I
doubt
hear
they
a
go from
girl's
over there
voice.
to over there.
Mitchell, go chase them.
Your balaclava on.
Setting a fireworks, you bastards.
Ours will do better.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
It probably will be Porsche type unless it's the guy that owns the farmland. One of the smaller
Then we're
ones.
fucked. And it's still better than theirs.
Still better than theirs. So update, Mrs. Laney. Apparently there's some people over there at the other side of the field setting off fireworks. So a mini war has broken out between who's got the best fireworks. I think it's safe to say we're winning.
Right, we'll keep some of the rockets. Let's get the big bad one yet.
Oh, great.
Oh, right, there goes one of the reshites. How gay was that?
Just goes pop.
Check the size of our fucking Roman candles, man.
Oh shit. I think we should all invade. I think we should go up to the hill and go
These have a berry line. This, it's got a berry line.
and just hold it below that.
I'm not holding these.
His hat's gonna catch fire.
He's gonna lose a fucking hand. Ah! No, I'm gonna catch fire.
Well, hold it at an angle so it doesn't go above you. Jeez, you're reading it. La, la, la.
It's not many feet.
So we have a lot.
Oh, that is a monster, nah. He's got gunpowder.
Yeah, Doro drinks in the fucking butt. Oh, there's a wee shitey stuff. Look at that.
Silent hunter. We can use that on them.
That's one of those things that I had.
That is pretty epic. That's a monkey.
That's the one thing with 100 shots in it that my dad wanted to saw in half.
One of these bad boys.
Kinda, but theirs is longer.
We'll take that.
Challenge accepted. Just you wait! Tell me they did not just use their best thing. If that's their best thing, then they're fucked.
We have a fucking epic 40 quid firework. Get the torch. Give me the torch.
Get the torch. Quick, the torch, come hither. Lenny's been renamed the torch.
Shut up.
This could possibly be the last time you ever see us.
Go. Silent hunter.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Oh, epic!
Suck on that! We have to go back to that shop and shake their hands. That is well worth it. Win.
Yeah.
Get up!
Get the next one. Quick.
Right, air attack or
I say we set off a minefield.
minefield? Right.
I got jelly baby. I got it.
Hope not.
Fucking good.
It's safe, approach it.
Looks like this calls for an idiot.
Yeah! You can still hear that echoing.
Thousands of children have now woken up.
Yeah.
And a lot of
I love you like a fat kid loves bacon.
Time to go.
What to do?
Uh-oh. Woo! Hey.
That was good, yet shite.
Surely there should be more than that. Yes,
Yo,
it's held together with sellotape.
that's just queer. Fucking Chinese. Right, they're lighting that, and basically it has no fuse. They're trying to reignite a firework. So,
That's the fuse that burnt like whoosh.
so this could be the last we see of them. So
This is why we need the magnesium to actually go.
this could be break.com material. Don't hold your face over it.
He's done that about 4 times already. Shirt's about to kill him.
Bang. Shh. This will be epic.
I shot myself.
Oh, 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 oh.
Oh, here we go.
Hey, survived. Woo! Woo!
Yeah. Nothing says fuck you, sky, like fireworks.
This is the big red one.
But you need a spade to get it in.
Oh shit.
That just looks like when you rip
This
a log
thing
open.
is gonna blow. Light it. Oh shit. You fail. The big one.
Yeah! 40 quid's worth.
I'm waiting to see if he loses a finger. He's something in a bag of fucking wood with a hacksaw. Did you have to take the whole top off?
No blood.
I'd love to see you apply for life insurance. I want to know what that rate would be.